Free pizza sounds good, doesn't it? Well, if you live in Brownsburg or Avon, you may have a chance to get your hands on some free pizza next week, at least if you are practicing good fire safety. It's March 6th and 7th, and only if you live in Brownsburg or if you are served by the Washington Township Avon Fire Department. Now, if you order from Dominoes from 5 until 7 p.m. on those days, you could be randomly chosen to have your pizza delivered by a fire engine. And if your smoke alarms are working properly when the fire truck shows up, your pizza is free. Again, that's only in Brownsburg and Avon next Monday and Tuesday, so make sure you check your fire safety there.